Hello friends. Welcome to RiofTech. Let's learn today how to implement .NET custom code in Standard Logic Apps. Implementing .NET custom code in Standard Logic Apps allows developers to extend workflow capabilities with custom business logic. By integrating .NET functions within Logic Apps, you can enhance performance, streamline API calls, and handle complex data transformations efficiently. To explore more on this, go to riovtech.com and check out the latest content. This blog contains all the interesting content related to Azure Platform as a Service, highlighting its key features, benefits, and practical use cases. Explore how Azure PaaS empowers businesses with scalability, flexibility, and seamless integration capabilities. Check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.